On October 29, 2024, officers arrested 2 suspects in an organized retail fraud operation, over 50 incidents, nearly $250,000 in losses.
Okay, hold up, Miranda. Hold up. Hold up. Let me talk to you.
I'm sorry,
How you doing? Hold up.
I do?
Hold up. Hold up. Do you have your ID with you?
No, I don't.
Okay, hold on. Here, walk
What
over to
did
this
I
car.
do wrong?
Put your stuff up on this. Put your stuff up on this hood.
What did I do wrong?
Put your stuff up on the hood. She's got him on FaceTime. He's in a car. Put your stuff up on the hood.
Hey, go over there. I think he's over there.
Why am I being
Sort of that guy right there.
Yep. That's him. He's got.
What's going on?
That's him right there.
Right there in the blue sweatshirt.
Put cuffs on. Hold on. Hold on. Open your door. Go. Go ahead. Go. If he runs, stay in your car and I'll stay behind him. Demetrius. That's what's going on? I'll explain.
I got the phone.
Yeah, of course, I'm out of Walmart if I didn't advise. Yeah, of course, I'm out of Walmart if I didn't advise.
This is a different guy.
So does he.
For what?
Let you know.
Huh?
I don't know what it is.
What do I have a warrant for?
I don't know. I just told you. I don't know what it is.
I'm here though.
Anything in your coat? You have any firearms on you?
No.
Okay. Come and have a seat in the back of the car.
Okay, can I get
No,
my
not
stuff?
right now. Car for a little bit. We'll figure everything.
I need to grab my
Okay.
phone and stuff.
You don't need it right now.
Why am I being
Because you're under arrest. You have a warrant.
a warrant from where?
I don't know. I'll explain everything to you.
You
Give us a
can
minute.
explain everything now?
No, because I don't know what the warrant is for. That's why. I'll explain everything to you.
Yeah, of course, I'm out of Walmart if I didn't advise.
First of all.
Go ahead.
It might be someone else. Someone keeps trying to FaceTime her. I have it, just to let you know.
Sorry, excuse me, am I good to back out? Or...
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, I just want
Yeah.
to like... Get in your way.
That's don't hit my car. You'll be good.
Alright, sounds good.
What? You have yes, you have a warrant.
For what?
I don't know. Theft, I think.
Huh? Excuse me.
What?
Hey, for whenever
You have a-
it is, fill that file.
Oh, I don't know. I haven't. We're just trying to figure everything out. I don't know what the warrant's for. We got a warrant. Okay.
A warrant for what, sir?
I don't know. I just told you.
How don't you know?
Hi, Coach. What's 98 for Coley? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him present with you while you bear questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning, if you wish. You can decide to at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights that I've explained to you? You understand? Okay.
Okay, so do you guys have a case today? Is there a theft today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. On both or just one?
I'd have to clear it for both. All I know is what happened. We were going up to another register. That's when someone said that they already brought these up there,
Okay.
and that they had claimed that it was a cash card, to cash it as cash,
There,
that it would take it off of his debit card.
and the debit card is what?
It's nothing.
It's a
There's
fake
no
card.
such thing as a card that does that.
There's no such thing.
There's no such thing as
We tried to say this was him, and we thought we didn't have the right guy, but he
has a mask on. I've never seen him without his mask.
right. But this is not
He's
him.
always wearing that.
It's similar, but it's not him. It looks like him, but he's got a tattoo here. So we ran him through Michigan. The original Demetrius Earl, it's him.
Demetrius Earl, that is his name.
Yep.
That's his
Yeah.
name.
And Ariana Cole.
Yep.
So they both do have warrants. So they're going for that. This is just a fake. But we're
Regardless.
the car over there has no plates on it at all. Comes back to her though. We ran the VIN.
Yeah.
There's a Walmart bag in the back seat. We don't know what's in it.
Probably like infants electronics, like baby monitors,
breast pumps.
electronic breast pumps.
So they got out the door with them. He did.
Yes, he did. He purchased those at 5:04 at register 23. Told the cashier that it's a cash card for 1608. Got $40 back in cash. Just no cash was given to him or to the cashier.
This was just him doing this part though, right?
The few seconds I saw at the register to get this timestamp was
Okay.
just him at the register.
Okay.
But
And
it's
then-
usually he pays for it, does the scam. He'll go to another Walmart. She brings it in with the receipt and says, "I don't want this anymore. I want my refund," and we'll get that in
So
cash.
I'm still not tracking because I'm still here. So the debit card he used is fake, and how do you know that? I mean,
They never swipe it. They pretend to swipe it.
Okay.
They
And then we don't
That-
charge you your card unless we hit credit.
So how did he get out the door with the stuff and a receipt?
Because he tells the cashier to cash him out as cash, and then he gets a receipt.
Cashier fell for a scam.
Yeah, we
Okay.
call it a cash card scam.
So-
this card is just as good as cash.
Does he still have the card?
As far as I know, we don't take it.
Okay.
They can.
And I'd have to look at video again to tell you which card he used.
Said hit my phone on me this way.
And when we were on the phone and she was walking up, she had more merchandise that I assumed she was gonna attempt.
Yeah, it was almost the exact same stuff.
Yeah, she walked out with
but-
nothing.
Yeah,
When they
ended
came up to
walking
the
out.
door to the corner here, she ran out the door.
Did you see what the card looked like at all that he tried
I'd have to go back and look at
We'd
it
have to
again.
look at footage.
It's still up on the
You want me to go
screen.
take a picture of it? Send
Yeah.
it to you?
But they'll convince
So-
the cashier.
So we're gonna have another case on him.
They've been here before.
He like $1,600 worth. That stuff in that car, he used a fake debit card to scam the cashier into selling him breast pumps and other things like that. So he's got that on him still. They don't know exactly which one it is yet. They're going to go inside and look, try to get a better look at what the card looks like because he's got all that property on him. So one of those cards he has on him, he used to scam the cashier into cashing him out, give him a receipt, but it was never purchased.
We never received cash.
I think so.
Is there a globe on that camera there?
Yeah. So, don't take him just yet. Let's figure out what cards he has on him because we might take one. I don't know what those ones are out of.
So since you're in custody, I know
There
you
are.
won't be able to print.
But they were gonna.
Hers is through us. I don't know if it says it's through us or not.
He said it was. I didn't look at them, obviously. I didn't have time, but I knew Tiffany or Fostory. One of them had the same issues, and they were also filing a charge.
Can you sign as a witness, please?
On the bottom. Yeah. That was all 44 minutes.
1, 2, 3,
Getting ready to
4,
walk out of the
5,
house.
6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000.
Can I see your phone?
Good job. Eagle eye.
I need
Good work.
Hey.
Description and everything.
your calculator.
More ice cream?
It logs out at all 0052.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20, 40, 60.
Breast pump. PayPal cards. That's what he got at Circle K. He was loading PayPal cards.
Okay, well, let's
I
stop.
don't have nothing to do with that.
Let's stop, and we'll just do a search warrant on it. I like that option better.
Just take it to the yard.
Yep.
Search the car, sir.
But there's more going on here, Ariana.
In there, so I think we're just gonna do.
What's going on?
There's more stuff in there. Than
Like what? Like what?
right now.
Just curious.
And it's
Looks
not a
like-
credit card.
Where does it say press cash?
It is not a credit card.
Hmm.
That's what I'm trying to tell y'all.
What is it considered?
It's a fake card.
Well, we know that.
Yeah.
You've been using it forever. We know about all the gas station stuff. We know you guys very well. Tiffin, Fostoria. Trust me.
I didn't do
All
none
the
of
police
that.
departments know about you guys, yeah.
Nope. No.
He's been doing this at the gas stations for a while. We
I
know.
wasn't.
I know, I'm saying him. We know him. You're just with him, so, unfortunately.
Walk over to that red door over there.
That evidence clears Terry by a wide margin, approaching the threshold of probable cause for a formal arrest. When officers confirmed a warrant, the female subject asked what it was for. The officer admitted he did not know. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, that is legally permissible. The warrant is the arrest authority, not the officer's knowledge of its contents. Still advising the subject of the charge as soon as possible forecloses a due process challenge under the 14th Amendment. Miranda warnings were delivered after arrest and before questioning the sequence required under Miranda v. Arizona. Timing and content were correct. The fraudulent card generates theft by deception under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2913.02, obtaining property through a false representation. A forgery charge also applies under Section 2913.31, using a counterfeit instrument with knowledge of its falsity. Both counts are independent. The female subject's role in the return for cash phase satisfies complicity under Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.03. Ohio treats an accomplice identically to the principal at sentencing. A secondary role provides no legal shelter. Impounding the vehicle before searching was correct. The automobile exception under Carroll v. United States authorized an immediate warrantless search. But searching at the impound yard preserves chain of custody and produces a record defense counsel cannot easily challenge at trial. The multi-state pattern opens federal jurisdiction. Wire fraud under Title 18. Section 1343 applies when a scheme crosses state lines. 50-plus incidents totaling $250,000 is exactly the profile that draws federal prosecution and substantially longer sentencing exposure. The officers receive a B+. The stop was grounded. Miranda was accurate, evidence was disciplined, and force stayed proportionate. The deduction officers did not know the warrant contents, and an intelligence disclosure near a recently Mirandized subject means any statements need voluntariness review. Demetrius Earl receives a D. A multi-state scheme using counterfeit instruments is sustained criminal planning. Prior warrants compound the exposure significantly. Ariana Coley receives a C-. Complicity carries the same penalty as the principal, and the stolen laptop adds a receiving stolen property charge. 3 lessons. First, a warrant arrest is valid without knowing the charge, but informing the subject promptly closes a 14th Amendment vulnerability. Second, impound before searching a rushed on-scene search hands defense a chain of custody argument that can unravel an otherwise solid case. Third, complicity is not a lesser charge. An accomplice stands in the same legal position as the principal at every stage. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover.